I don't have like a regular video for you, so we're gonna just record what we can. I missed it just before I turned the camera on. Miss Daisy caught a grasshopper and she's busy playing with it. Oh, now she's eating it. Oh, she's still playing with it, kinda. Our grasshopper hunter. We had a dog before that used to catch grasshoppers like her. It's not doing much, is it, Daisy? I think you broke one of the legs off. I think you broke its leg off. You're gonna eat it? You're gonna eat it? Mind my own business is what she just told me. That was what that look was. She's trying to get her mind off of her daddy not being here. He's working in a different city right now, right? Yeah. He gets to work from home 4 days a week. But 1 day a week he has to go in. I guess it doesn't matter if I tell you where he works. It's in Dallas. Where'd it go? Where's your grasshopper? Where'd it go? Where is it? There it is. There you go. Anyway, yeah, it's nice that he can work from home at least 4 days a week. He used to work all the time on Wednesdays, but I had him ask his boss if he could go in on Thursdays instead. Because Great Nana Shenanigans was having to be here alone. Okay, come on, Daisy. Did you get it all? Georgia, how come you didn't catch one? Our poor Georgia can't hear no more. At least I don't think she can. Once in a while it seems like she hears you, but most of the time, no. Anyway, we take them out to go potty at noon every day. And we go get the mail. Hi, Cosmo. Hi, Cosmo kitty kitty. He has become my cuddle buddy since Minnie passed away. Haven't you? Yeah, you sit on Mommy's lap all the time. Yeah, when you're not outside. Yeah. When you're not outside, you sit on my legs, on my lap. Yeah. He's such a good boy. Yes. Him and Putty are the only two that we let outside. We didn't used to let Willow out because he was afraid. But before he died, I started taking him outside into the yard, and he loved it. Something blew into our yard. Wonder where that came from. Foamular. That could come in handy for something. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Where are you going, Daisy? I'll stick it in here for now. Hopefully it won't blow out. Hopefully. Can I get it further over? That might help. Like that maybe? Alrighty. Daisy wants to go down here, Georgia. You coming? Oh, there go the neighbor's dogs. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Pretty, pretty puppies. Are they noisy, Daisy? Huh? They're worse than you. You leave Daisy out in the yard, she barks. She used to bark right away, but now she only does it after a short time. Or after a while. I shouldn't say short time. That is a wisteria, and so is that. But I just got a pokey in me. But we've got trees and vines to get out of this one and that one. Those two are wisteria, but they're pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty good. Alrighty, you following us? Are you following us? Huh? How come you following us? Do you think you're a puppy too? Huh? Oh, Georgia wants to see what Daisy's eating. Daisy, what are you eating over here? What are you eating? Hmm? Gotta watch what these guys eat because they try to eat some pretty gross stuff. We hung this pole up for our last yard sale and we still haven't taken it down. I keep thinking maybe we'll have another one, I don't know. But it was really nice for hanging clothes on. One time, early on when we moved here, our driveway came all the way out to here. And there was mud here. And when I came out to it, there was this big 4-inch footprint. And I thought, what in the world is that? And I could only think of one animal that could have been from. And that was a cougar. And so I took a picture of the footprint and I put it on Google, and sure enough, that's what came up. So we had a cougar come through our yard. And then at night, mainly up there, you can hear, come on Cosmo, kitty, kitty, kitty. You can hear coyotes. And once in a while, I'm almost positive they go through our yard. What I call the back 40. We have a neighbor over there. And so I think they go through in between us and that neighbor over there. But I'm not positive. So anyway, this one hasn't gone potty yet, so I'm gonna put the dogs in the fence for a little while and go work on some other stuff for a little bit that I need to get done. Don't you love my clothes today? Reindeers. I live in the country. It doesn't matter what I wear. I can wear what I want outside. It don't matter. Papa just harvested a bunch of tomatoes from our tomato plants, and look at, there's a ton more here. He harvested these little ones. These taste really good. There's some more to harvest, I see. Not many, but they are really flavorful. We had some shingles missing on our roof. Papa fixed it, but he's got the wrong colored shingles. Oh well, it's covered now. We don't have to worry about rain. We had a new roof put on, and then a darn storm came through and tore a bunch of shingles off. Took a bunch off from this side too. Let's see if I can get to it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it right there. He told me that stuff that he put on there dries clear, but it's still white. Oh well, like I said, at least it's fixed. Roofer he is not, so I will take it. All right, dogs are in the fence. Grab a couple more of these tomatoes. Here's one that rotted. He didn't get it soon enough. I think there's a bug in it too. We'll pick this one. And this one. We'll leave the rest for now. Well, one more. There. Love me a good tomato. What you doing under there? You chilling? Is that your favorite place? He is really good about, he sleeps underneath those vehicles, but once you start him, he runs out of there. All right. At some point I gotta take care of all this too. But now, we can go get something else together and we'll go take care of another chore or two. All right, meet you out in the front of the house. Here we are. I got a new bird feeder that I put over here, but the birds either haven't found it or don't like it. Put it up a couple weeks ago, maybe longer, and there's still all this food in here. So I'm going to move it. Bring it over to this other tree. See if I can find a place to hang it. Shouldn't be too hard to do. I have another feeder on here, but look at how long I've had this hanging here. It has grown into the tree. I didn't realize that part did. Well, shoot. I didn't want that to happen, but it did. Oh well. I was hoping to be able to hang it on there. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get to though. I don't know, can I bend this up? If I had my glove, maybe. Will I hang it on there? Be able to hang it on there, and there we go. Now Papa will hit his head on it when he's doing the lawn. I need this to get clean. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully it'll work. Anyway, I have this bird feeder, and I love the style, but number one, it has to sit slanted. But number two, it drops out the seed too easy. Here, you'll see what I mean. See that? There, no, it's okay. So we don't put as much in there. I think the birds prefer the ones over here anyway. but hopefully they'll start eating out of this one. I might find a higher place for that one. I don't want it right on that one, but we'll see. Here's my bird bath. Kind of chipped up and stuff, but I think it's cute. I put this on because this one was missing its bird. So I put my broken cardinal on there. It matches the other broken stuff, but I likes it. A bit later, after I'm done with the bird seed, we're gonna pick these because they are getting past due. Papa cleaned out in there for me. So now I got some metals to pick up. This bird feeder I love. I'm gonna have to cut some branches again. Anyway, I love this bird feeder, but as you can see, the plastic is all broke up on it. And so I've just been putting this and that in there to hold the seed in. And it's working, but I'm gonna get some glass from picture frames and put in here, because that'll work better. But for now, we make do with this for now. Can't get that one to stand for some reason today. Why won't you stand it? Oh, I'll leave you like that for now. And these are all curled, which is going to make it difficult. I don't know if y'all can see all this or not. I hope so. I hope so. Put this here instead, maybe. That might be better. There. Leave that like that. Now, get us a scoop and dump it in. See? It's a goofy way to do it, but it works. They like this feeder the best. But of course, the little birds, they like this other feeder better. Oh, we don't want to do that. That put too much out. All right, we'll leave the rest for the little bird feeder. I'm gonna leave that one down until I know whether this one takes the rest. Yeah, the little birds like this one because big birds can't get in it. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Yeah, I can't wait till this kidney stone of mine is taken care of. I'm right here, Daisy. I'm right here. Yeah, we'll put the rest of it in here. Daisy! I'm right here. right, now to put them back up. This is the part that can be fun because they don't always want to thread. There, this one is doing it. There we go. And now this one. This one's tougher, usually. I should really get clips that I just have to unclip. Then it'd be a lot easier. Totally easier. I think we got it. There. There we go. Litter buckets come in handy. They come in very handy. All right, leave that there for a second. This faucet really leaks. Oh, and I just got my pant leg all wet. I forgot it shot out straight. Oh well. Little water never hurt nobody. Except my shoes, they suck water up like crazy. I've been slacking on this too. Slacking on getting water for the birds. You know, I didn't even check to see if the back one had water. Now, at least tomorrow I won't have to worry about it. It's supposed to rain. Motorbike going by. Part of me wishes I had my motorbike running. Go get my license. Drive my Enduro around. I almost got my license at one time. I wish I would have. Because having to do it at my age is kind of silly to me, but oh well. Hey, look. A tumbleweed. Tumbling tumbleweed. Here, got a tumble. There you go. Go tumble. Don't get stuck. Keep tumbling. That's what your job is. I don't think I ever saw a tumbleweed till we moved here. Ugh, I'm not looking forward to doing them. Because they got pricklies all over them. This one's starting to grow some. We got to trim that one down. It's starting to get too big. I want them big, but not that big. Alrighty. Yes, Papa needs to get the vines out of there again. I can't touch them. Remember when my face swelled up? Yeah, I don't know if it was from these vines or different ones, but we're not messing around. I don't touch vines. All right. When I get the cactus pears, then I'll bring you with me. All right? I got my equipment for getting these prickly pears. Supposedly, I can just bend them off. It's more like pull them off. Some of them are over. That one's not quite ready, I don't think. There's 3 of them here that are kind of not the right color, so I'll just get the ones that are darker. Something wrong with that one. We'll leave that one. It don't look quite right. I think it went over. Man, I don't know if I can use all these. We'll leave that one. We'll just grab the bigger ones. Last year what I did was I just brought them to the thrift store, and anybody that wanted them, I let them take them. I might do that again. I don't know. We'll see. Boy, my little dish here might not be big enough. Those are looking like the other ones over there. Except for maybe, well, yeah. That one has some kind of blight on it. So is that one. Some of these other ones do too, I guess. Well, we'll see if it washes off, maybe. I don't know. I don't know a whole lot about these things. I come from Minnesota, remember? I'm doing the best I can. I don't know about that one, but we'll see. Almost all of them. Twist, pull. Twist, pull. All right, Willow is buried here. Minnie is buried here. What do you think? Is that a fitting spot for her? I think it is. And for him. We have 2 other pets buried by this one, and we got another one over there. No, wait, Minnie's over there. And Willow. Never mind. I don't know if y'all remember Tex, but he's buried, I think, over here. We've had to bury so many pets that so far. There's 2 cats, or 3 cats out here now, and 1 dog, or 2 dogs, I should say. Minnie and Tex. That one does look good over there. I'll grab that one yet. I don't know. What do you guys think of this one? That one's kind of red yet, isn't it? Yeah. I'm gonna grab this one even though it has some blight on it. This one too. I guess that one 3. We'll leave all these for now, but I will grab, I think it was this one that I saw. I'll grab that one even though it doesn't look totally. How did I miss these? Probably because they're smaller. I didn't think to grab them. I don't know. All right, we got a whole bowl of them. That one feels mushy. We'll let the bugs have that. This one's gonna have a bunch too. See that? This, I want to cut off right about here. And then we'll drop it down so that it gets fuller. I want to go this way a little bit more. Not a lot, just a little bit. So anyway, bonus footage for you. Look what Great Nana Shenanigans made. Isn't that pretty? She's got a good eye. Her and I made this. She made this one. I made this one, and I made this. What do you think? You like my colors? Here, maybe you can see better back here. It's all tan around. Oops, sorry. Pink on the top, purple in front with my beautiful little cardinal. And it is well with my soul. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I know it's probably not going to get too many watches, but I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Hope you're having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Keep praying. I got that thing. Here, let's see. Got that thing stuck in my finger. Anyway, keep praying and keep being grateful for everything you have, because I guarantee there are people that are going without. I see them on the internet every day. So there you have it. Until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.